Comic Master is a really great tool that you can use to make any kind of comic. There are limited backgrounds and limited characters, but it's super easy to use, and that's one of the benefits. The easiest thing to do is just start with Comic Master and then click the OK button. Once you click the OK button, there is an easy to follow diagram off to the side right here, which tells you exactly what you have to do to make your Comic Master. You can make graphic novels, or you could keep them short to one page. By hitting the next button, you move on to where you set the number of tiles that you want for your comics. By simply clicking, you can move the tiles over to your comic. If you would like to have more different types of tiles, just simply click the More button. Each one of these then becomes your comic. By clicking the Done button, you're ready to make your comic. Simply click on the backgrounds that you want. Now the only problem here, you only have the 6, and by clicking and sliding, you will create the backgrounds for your comic. Now you can obviously vary them as I am here, or you could stick with one general theme. If you don't like a background that you have, simply click the Delete button and you can remove the comic background, as you can clearly see. If you want to fill it in, just move in your next background of your choice. By clicking back to the main menu, we're able to add our characters. I like this guy. There's some different preset forms for the character, and click and drag is all you have to do for those. By clicking on the icon, you can move the character around in the picture, and you can make the character larger or smaller by simply increasing the box. Once again, by going back to the main menu, we're able to add speech bubbles. And once again, it's a click and drag setup. Back to the main menu, you can add your thought bubbles. Notice the different shape that they have. And caption boxes, which you can place to explain an entire scene. For any of these, you can click to increase the overall view of the comic. And if you would like to edit any of the text, you simply click on the Edit Text button and write what you want. Click OK, and it shows up right in the comic. Back to the main menu again. You can add special effects, which reminds me of the old Batman and Robin series. And once again, it's just a simple slide and click. If you like your comic, it's very simple. It's very easy to save it. You can simply hit the save button. It will ask you to be logged on. If you are logged on, you would then be able to save it. All you need is an email address and a password. You hit submit, and your comic will be saved to your account. If you would like to go back to a comic that you have already created, when you log into your account, you'll be able to resume it by simply clicking on your last saved icon. To go ahead and print, it's very simple. You hit your print, and it will go directly to whatever printer you have hooked up to your computer. Once again, Comic Master is very simple and easy to use. It's point and click. It saves to your account, and it can print directly from your account. The only problems with this is that it's limited in terms of its background, and it's limited in terms of the number of characters. Comic Master, very good, a very easy tool to use. Thank you.